Hi, to confirm whether your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is original or fake, I got several tips for you. So first thing we can do is open settings, find this first about phone tab, and here choose detailed info and specs. After that, go in status, and now you should see IMEI numbers for the first and second SIM card slots. You can tap on them to actually check its number. So you can compare those numbers with numbers on the box in which your device came. Let me show you. So right here we got AMI 1, AMI 2, and also serial number. So if those numbers matches, then it's a good sign that your device is original. Now, another way how we can check this is we need to find this kernel version in settings detailed info and specs. And here we need to tap 5 times on this kernel version, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this CIT menu should be opened. So if your device is original, you should see this menu. If nothing happens for you, then I have bad news for you, your device is not original. So the next thing how we can check this, we can enter secret code. For that, open your phone app, here trigger your keypad, and now enter asterisk hash 06 and hash again. And now you should see IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 and as well as serial number. So you can also compare them with numbers on the box, and if it matches, then your device is original. And the last way how we can check this is we can open Google Chrome, and now you just need to input this phrase IMEI check Xiaomi, and you should visit this web page. Now you need to enter IMEI or serial number, so for that we need to copy it in settings. Let's go in About Phone, choose Detailed Info and Specs, and here find Status and tap on IMEI. Now we'll need to copy it, go back in Google Chrome and paste it here. So after that, you need to enter this verification code. Let me just enter it. And 7 and small m and tap verify. And now you should receive this notification. Congratulations, you can be assured the phone you have purchased is the official international version. So if you got this one as well, then your device is original. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.